Hi, Lorraine here for Lollipop Box Creative Team, and I've got here a flip through of a mini album I've created using the June kit, which is Bucket List. So here we go. This is my little book made out of a heavyweight card inside the back, the front and the spine, and then covered with this lovely blue paper and the dotty yellow. So you can use cereal packet for this, which is great. Now this album is just under 6 by 5 inches. So you can see there on the left hand side that I've got a lovely pocket there that I've made from that manila envelope included in the June kit. I've actually created like little expansion folds either side so it can hold quite a lot of bits and pieces. You can see there I'm just showing you those little folds. And then created that semicircle cut as like so you can get the tags in and out nicely. So there on the back of this tag I've got that blue post-it note and the word adventure and some photos and stickers on the front. And this one here got some map, that lovely camera, and again some of those little die cuts and stickers. So small photos on these tags to just create sort of some interactive places, and of course that little pocket there can be used for other tickets and things from the day. So here on the right hand side, so this flip flap mechanism was inspired by a class taught by the lovely Vic Davies at a Go-Go Getaway retreat. Changed it up quite a lot, but the idea of the flip flap and the way the concertina in and out was inspired by Vic. So here I've got an accordion fold out bit here that houses all those little mini photos and a sticker on there just held together with a little black clip. And here you can see I've used all those lovely papers, the blues, the yellows and the greens that's in the kit. That vintage hot air balloon die, I've created a journaling spot there so the recipient can journal on their memories from the day. And you see here this folds out then to that piece, that larger piece at the back there that's secured just to that back page. So you can see just how they hinge in and out there. There's lots of tutorials online for different flip-flap mechanisms, but you can really make it your own. So they fold in and out, left to right, and just sit neatly there on that right hand side. So I hope you've enjoyed a quick flip through of my book. Please do have a look on Lollipop Box blog as well, where you can see some detailed shots of these pages. So I really look forward to seeing what you create with the kit. Thank you for joining me.